Hello. I found a new spot. You can hear there's a little creek. Man, this is nice. Wide open. Whew. Beautiful. Somebody threw a bunch of animal hair top of a fire pit. Pieces of metal, frame of a bike. Not too much trash, a little bit here and there. Got a duck. All right. Let me keep driving a little bit and we'll keep this in mind. Interesting signage around here saying voluntary non-motorized vehicles. Yield to dog sled teams and skiers, snowmobiles. Well, the good thing is we're in summer, pretty much. I can see some elk off in the distance. I think another vehicle's coming. It's a frickin' train! How cool is that to have trains? I think I've decided I'm going to set up the canopy and bug screen sleep system up first because I kind of got it's really hard ground. And then that noise, whatever it is, should make for an interesting night. It is dark in here. I'm trying to get some lighting. And I'm finding out that inside my little bug screen canopy tent that there's just no hooks. Here's the one hook right there. And then how I hung these is I basically have the latches that hold the door open. Oh, I can't get inside. You tried for it. That's a train, buddy. Honestly, it's not too much for me. I like it. Oh. The brakes, and they hit the brakes like that. Ooh, that's good. It's not gonna bother me. I'm gonna be trying to put this cot together now. Keep on going down. I could easily go to sleep right now. This is just, it's too comfy. Got rather chilly last night. Glad I brought this, heavy duty sleeping bag. Oh, there he goes. I finally got everything put away, and now I'm going to start. Let's start with the coffee first. So right here I have my kettle. Still fighting with the wind, but I basically added some weight to each corner. I got a giant bag of my stuff on each side, so that should keep things where they should be. And is this right? I don't think I'm doing this right. No, I'm not. There we go, got that. And now we can put the fuel in. This is actually a 16-ounce cup. Man, here comes the wind. Really don't know how to measure this, so PK hydrate. I got some noodle soup. I got a mystery can. And then also some corn. Just gonna add the chicken noodle soup and the corn. All right. It's very hot on the bottom, but I can hold it like this and just eat right out of the pot, which is nice. This just makes me wish, oh, I got a freaking table right here. I'm gonna eat this, and then I'm gonna pack everything up, head out of here. Another successful trip.